starting your self-improvement journey and you're wondering what are the most common, the most base, the most G habits of self-improvement that you can do, and I got you, man. In this video I'm gonna cover the 5 most important, most based, and the best self-improvement habits that you can do. Starting off with number 1 is meditation. And why meditation? Because in your everyday life you're stuck. Many of people watching this, including maybe you, are scrolling on Instagram, TikTok, and all this stupid shit every fucking day. You're just training your brain to have smaller focus, less seconds of focus. Maybe you had like 1 minute of focus earlier, but now you're watching TikToks every fucking 5 minutes you got. And now your time got close to like 5-10 seconds of focus. So you can't focus on work and you're wondering why. Look at your life. Why? Because look at your habits. You make your focus worse with your habits. Just that's all. TikTok and that shit, that's fucking your focus up. Like if you really wanna look at those videos, like, yo, yeah, I'm using TikTok for self-improvement and shit. Well, why do you watch shorts then? Why? Just go and watch a full guide. It's way better. And meditation helps you with focusing. Because when you meditate, you focus on your breath. And so you help train your brain to focus more and better. And with that, you're gonna have a better focus. And thing number 2 is journaling. You gotta look up on your life. When you journal, you express your feelings, thoughts, and you get deep into them. You find out the deep reason why you feel a certain way. And then you ask yourself, how can I fix this? How can I improve? And that's why journaling is very fucking useful. You can just take like 10 minutes of your day, 5 minutes. Just try journaling, man. At least for 5 minutes every day. Because when you go deep into it, it really changes your life. And you might not think about it this way right now, but when you try it, you'll believe me and you will never want to quit. Now the thing number 3 is gratitude and gratitude journaling. And that is something many people lack. Many people are saying, oh, I'm depressed, I have nothing good in my life, I'm not grateful for anything. Exactly, that's the issue. That's why you have to do the gratitude journaling. Otherwise you're just gonna be stuck in this fucking hopeless, miserable zone even more. So the thing is, it's very simple to do. You wake up, you have a piece of paper next to your bed. Or maybe like a notebook or something, right? And then you wake up, and the first thing you do is take a notebook, take a pen, and write just 3 things you're grateful for. I don't give a fuck what. Just write 3 things. I'm grateful for my phone. I'm grateful that I have a roof over my head. I'm grateful for the people that made this light that lights up my room. I'm grateful for the company that made that light. That's 3 things. I got it like in a few seconds up. Boom. Simple. But never use the same things. Don't write the same thing you wrote yesterday today, right? Every fucking day remember something new. And whatever the fuck it is, just write it down. And when you're gonna do this for time, you're just gonna find yourself more and more happy in your everyday life. And that is very important because you're gonna be grateful for more things. And the feeling is awesome, just saying. Thing number 4 is something most of us are already doing. And what is that? It's basic thing. And what is that? It's the one and only exercise, gym, grind, work hard, live that motherfucking way through calisthenics, whatever the fuck you're doing. Exercise. Exercise is so fucking important. Like, I can't express this enough. It's like one of the most important things in this area, because not only it makes you look better over time, it also teaches you discipline. It also teaches you many other shit. You have to learn for it. You have to fucking grind hard in the gym. You can even make friends. It just has so many benefits, bro. The thing is, when you exercise, you make your body better, you look better, you feel better, but you also have to have the diet. You need to have the discipline to go in the gym every fucking day, work hard, and do all this shit. And with that, your life is going to transform and change. You also get to see the long-term success over short-term wins. And that is also what makes you a stronger man mentally. And yes, a stronger man, and you're more masculine, and your testosterone level rises. You get more attractive to women. Bro, there's only benefits in working out. There's nothing, no cons, bro, seriously. And now the number 5. The 5th and the last topic we're gonna cover in this video is reading. And not just reading any kind of fictional books and shit like that. I mean, it's true, it's nice as well, because you have better vocabulary after that, right? You know how to speak and make sentences and words better after you read many books. But that is just one thing. The second thing is, when you have to read self-improvement books. I mean, you can read normal books, but I'm saying reading not just as reading, but as well as learning. And that includes reading self-improvement books, learning from them, watching YouTube videos that explain how to be better in self-improvement, like this one, or maybe my other videos, or maybe Hamza, or maybe, I don't know, whatever the fuck you watch, Iman Gadzi, How to Be, whoever, right? You watch these people, you learn about something in your life, but whoever the fuck you watch, you have to understand that people are saying stuff in their videos that apply to their life. So for example, when you're listening to dating advice, I made a rule to myself, I never listen to dating advice ever again, because these people that are making dating advice, they're making it for their life. They live, for example, in UK, and they were dating UK type of women. And we all know many women in UK are DJ, not all, but many. There are many fucking words, fuck girls, party girls, and all this shit. And they're giving you advice for how to get a party girl. They're not giving you advice for how to get, I don't know, a normal, feminine, good girl. And sometimes they do give advice for that too, but they have their perspective, and not every fucking woman on this earth is the same. So you have to understand that there's differences, and you have to, when you're listening to someone's advice, ask yourself, what the fuck are they in life? And you see their life, and you wonder, oh wait, I want that life too. Then you can take advice about that topic. For example, they have a nice house, nice car, they have a lot of money. You can take their wealth advice, right? True that. But maybe they don't have a wife, they were divorced 3 times, they switched so many girls, but you don't want that. You don't want to have a different girl every fucking week. You don't want to just have one night stands. You want to have a girl for life. Then I would not really listen to their dating advice. I'm just saying. You know, they might be using their methods from their early days. So you always have to look in all of that. So what I'm trying to say is always know who you're listening to, where you're listening to, and like always think with your own head. Don't just fall under the regime. Don't just be like, oh, he said that, so I gotta be 100% specifically like that. No. Think with your own head. But yes, sometimes their thinking is better than yours, and you just gotta fall into that. Like, not all the times. So yeah, use your brain, motherfucker. Stay hard, and see you in the next one. Ciao!